Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss the sketching of the quadratic graphs. Okay, let's see. Here, sketching the quadratic graphs. We will start with the general form of the quadratic expression. What is it? We know that it is ax square plus bx plus c. It is the general form of the quadratic expression. Okay, we know that where A, B, C, they are real numbers and A is not equal to 0. We know that if A is equal to 0, it is not a quadratic expression. Okay. Now we will consider y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. It is an equation. Okay. Here, and the other thing, a is not equal to 0. I'll start with when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. We will go step by step to the next levels. Okay, y is equal to x squared. This is my first equation. I'll consider table of values. When I'll take it from x is equal to negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Actually, when x is equal to negative 3, what the y coordinate of the graph or y coordinate of this graph? What is it? Y is equal to, we know that it is negative 3 whole square. It is 9. When x is equal to negative 2, what is y? Negative 2 whole square, y is equal to 4. Okay. When x is equal to negative 1, what is y? Y is positive 1. When x is equal to 0, y is 0. When x is equal to 1, y is 1. If you calculate, when x is equal to 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Okay. Now we have calculated some y coordinate corresponds to the x coordinates. That means the coordinates point on the xy plane or the Cartesian plane are negative 3 and positive 9. Negative 3 and positive 9. When x is equal to negative 3, y coordinate is negative 9. Similarly, when x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9. I am going to plot these points on the Cartesian plane. When x is equal to negative 3, we will see where the y is 9. It's a coordinate point on xy plane, as well as that point is on the graph. When x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, again positive 1, 2, 4, 3, again which goes to 9. Okay, if I connect these points, this is the shape of the graph. I have to connect them as a smooth curve. This is the shape of the graph. This shape is called the parabolic shape. It's a parabolic shape. Okay. Now we will consider some characteristic of this graph. Okay. Think about when x is equal to negative 3. What is the y coordinate? Y coordinate, we got it as 9. Similarly, when x is equal to positive 3, we got the same y coordinate. When x is equal to negative 4, negative 2, y is 4, as well as when x is equal to 2, y is 4. X is equal to negative 1, y is 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Now, we can think about, it is obvious that this is symmetric about the y-axis or x is equal to 0. Okay, actually, then the x is equal to 0 or the y-axis is called the axis of symmetry or the graph. Not only that, there is another significant coordinate on this graph. What is it? It is 0, 0 point. What is 0, 0? At that point, the graph turns backward. This 0, 0 or this graph is called the turning point. Turning point, or normally we say that it is vertex of the graph. Okay. Now we will go to the other example. It is y is equal to negative x square. Here again I am going to calculate y values corresponding to x values. When x is equal to negative 3, what is y? Y is negative of negative 3 square is negative 9. It is negative 9. When x is equal to negative 4, y is negative of negative 2 square is negative 4. Negative 4, again negative 1, 0, negative 1, negative 4 and negative 9. We can calculate these values. Therefore, the coordinates of the xy plane or Cartesian plane, those are on the graph. When x is equal to negative 3, y is equal to negative 9 is the coordinate. Similarly, when x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 4. When x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to negative 1. 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 4 and 3, negative 9. I'm going to plot these points. When x is equal to negative 3, y is equal to negative 9. When x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 4. When x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to positive negative 1. When x is equal to 0, y is 0. When x is equal to 1, again y is equal to negative 1. This is when x is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 4. When x is equal to 3y is equal to negative 9. If I connect these points, the graph is actually, if we consider y is equal to x square graph and y is equal to negative x square, the shape of the x square graph is this way and the y is equal to negative x square is this way. That means if we change the coefficient of x square positive to negative, if it is positive which have a minimum value, that means the vertex of the graph is a minimum value. If it is negative, we can say it as a maximum. In general, we can say if y is equal to ax square, if a is a positive value, if a is greater than 0, this graph has a minimum value as the vertex or turning point. Or if it is a is negative, which has a maximum turning point or the vertex. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.